Welcome to my next video in my airbrushing series. In this session, I'll be talking about the different types of airbrush products that are available, where you can find them, and some pricing, along with the brands that I like to use.
Living the moment till I die. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it.
Please note that these are my personal recommendations based on products I've worked with or heavily researched into, and there are lots of other options out there too. To start, I'm going to look at water-based products. These are the most similar to typical liquid makeup that you'll have most likely come across in a makeup store. For example, foundations, liquid blushes, etc. Water-based airbrush products are essentially pigments suspended in a water solution. They can be removed from the skin using cleansers, wipes, or water and soap. They're mostly used for body art as they're very similar to the solid block paints that painters typically use. Some of my favourite brands that offer water-based airbrush paints are Mist Air. Their Mist FX Primary Starter Set is an excellent first purchase as they consist of 3 primary colours and a black and white bottle, each at 60ml, costing roughly £60 for the set. With these paints, I usually mix them on a 1:1 ratio with water to thin them out and make them last a bit longer, and this will be demonstrated in one of my other videos. Another great brand I've worked with is Airbrush. Their water-based airbrush paints come in a wide range of colours too. My personal recommendation for a starter would be to purchase the primary pack at £60, which consists of 8 colours with each bottle at 30ml. In my experience, these paints do not need thinning with water and can be used straight from the bottle without mixing in the cup. The next type of product I'm going to talk through is alcohol-based. These are products that have pigments of colour suspended in alcohol solutions. They're typically used for creating false tattoos or on shoots that require waterproof or water-resistant designs. I use these when working on a water-based shoot that required a fully waterproof design. They can last up to 6 days if they're sealed correctly and are removed using alcohol or oil-based cleansers, and some patience. A brand I've worked with that I enjoyed using was the Pro Air range, which offer a wide variety of colours and packs. However, I would recommend the starter pack, which includes 6 colours in 1oz bottles for £50 a pack. The final type of product I'll be showing is silicone-based. These are often used in airbrush makeup for foundation, blusher, contour, brows, and other things. This type of product is becoming increasingly popular for wedding makeup and TV/film and photo shoots, as it offers a flawless and thin coverage which can be built up if required. They can last anywhere between 6 to 24 hours if applied and set properly, and are removed mainly using oil-based cleansers. Airbrush offer a 10-pack of foundation shades, which is perfect for a makeup artist starting out. This contains 10ml of each shade, which can be mixed to achieve other skin tones if required. This starter pack costs around £100, which can be a bit expensive to start, but it is a good idea if you're unsure of what shade you're going to need. Individual bottles of specific shades cost around £36 each for 30ml. Alternatively, there is Temp 2, which offers sample starter packs of 0.25 ounces bottles for £60 per colour pack. Mist Air is also another favourite of mine. Similar to Airbrush, they offer a 14-pack of foundation shades. A great starter purchase which includes 14 bottles of different shades at 7.5ml in each bottle for £70 in total. With silicone-based products, I always recommend that you purchase a thinner or a cleaner from the same brand to clean your airbrush afterwards and in between colours to prevent your equipment from getting blocked. A side product that is technically a type of airbrush product is one that most people know but don't realise. It's actually DHA, and this is used in sunless tanning products. The active ingredient reacts with the amino acids found in the skin to produce a fake tan. Typically, these are used with the higher pressure machines and spray guns. Within each product range, colours can usually be mixed to achieve different shades, the same way you would mix any other types of paints, which is why primary colour starter packs are perfect for those which don't know which shades they will use the most. Then individual shade bottles can be purchased along the way to make processes quicker and easier. Please note, products should only be mixed within their areas. For For example, water-based blue and water-based white. You shouldn't mix silicone-based paint with, say, a water-based or alcohol-based paint, as the different mediums will create a solution that will clog up your airbrush gun. I hope this video has given you an idea of the types of products that are out there and what would work for you based on what you would like to use your airbrush for. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop me a message or comment, and I'll help recommend the best product for you. For more information on kit essentials, including an airbrush machine buying guide, techniques, and what I carry in my own mobile kit, check out my other videos where I'll be breaking this all down and giving you everything you need to know to become an airbrushing pro.